Hello, road designers, and hope you all are doing great. For our new viewers, I am MIA, a passionate and experienced road designer with over 15 years of experience. Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for all this road geometric design. In today's video, we will discuss whether road geometry is considered an art or a science, a topic that is often debated. Additionally, we will provide an overview of the key components of roads and explore how these elements come together to form a 3D road geometry. But before we dive into these questions, let's take a moment to explore why roads are so important to us and how they shape our lives and the way we live. Roads. They crisscross our planet, connecting cities, cultures, and people. These arteries of civilization are more than just stretches of asphalt. They are complex feats of engineering, shaped by the principles of road geometry. This field dictates how roads are designed and built, ensuring safety, efficiency, and harmony with the surrounding environment. Imagine driving along a winding mountain pass. The road curves gracefully, offering breathtaking views while keeping you safe. This is no accident. It's the result of meticulous planning and a deep understanding of road geometry. This field governs everything from the road's alignment or its horizontal path to its profile, the vertical rise and fall. Road geometry is essential for our modern world. It impacts our daily commutes, the transportation of goods, and our ability to explore new horizons. Without it, our roads would be chaotic and dangerous, hindering our progress as a society. So, the next time you hit the open road, take a moment to appreciate the unseen forces that make your journey possible. The question of whether road geometry is an art or a science is a matter of debate. Some argue that it's a purely technical field, governed by mathematical formulas and engineering principles. They point to the precise calculations needed to ensure a road's stability, drainage, and safety. Others, however, see an artistic element in the way roads are designed to flow with the landscape, minimizing environmental impact while creating a visually appealing experience for drivers. They argue that road geometry requires creativity and intuition to balance functionality with aesthetics. A well-designed road is like a piece of music, says renowned architect Norman Foster. It has rhythm, balance, and flow. This quote highlights the artistic aspect of road geometry, where form and function intertwine. To understand the complexities of road geometry, we must delve into its fundamental components. These building blocks, when combined, create the intricate three-dimensional tapestry of our roadways. First, we have the alignment, which refers to the horizontal path of the road. It encompasses straight sections, curves of varying radii, and transitions between them. A well-designed alignment ensures smooth traffic flow and minimizes driver discomfort. Next is the profile, representing the vertical aspect of the road. This includes slopes, crests, and valleys, carefully designed to ensure safe stopping distances and clear sightlines for drivers. The profile also plays a crucial role in drainage, preventing water from accumulating on the road surface. Then there's the cross-section, a slice of the road that reveals its width, lane configuration, and shoulders. This element dictates traffic capacity, pedestrian safety, and the overall functionality of the road. Finally, we have intersections, the meeting points of different roads. Designing safe and efficient intersections is critical to prevent accidents and ensure smooth traffic flow. These individual components, alignment, profile, cross-section, and intersections, don't exist in isolation. They are interwoven like threads in a complex tapestry to create the three-dimensional reality of our roads. Imagine a team of engineers huddled over blueprints, their pencils dancing across the paper. They are shaping the destiny of a new highway, carefully plotting its course through rolling hills and across rushing rivers. Their drawings represent more than just lines on paper. They are the genesis of a complex three-dimensional structure. The alignment dictates the horizontal path, the profile defines the vertical rises and falls, and the cross-section determines the width and lane configuration. Intersections, like carefully placed knots, connect this intricate network of roads. This intricate dance of lines and curves, slopes and transitions, ultimately transforms into a tangible reality. Earth is moved, asphalt is laid, and bridges are erected. What was once a vision on paper becomes a conduit for human connection and progress. The result is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, where art and science converge to shape the very fabric of our civilization. Every road, every highway, and every overpass tells a story of ambition, planning, and collaboration. These feats of engineering stand as monuments to what can be achieved when imagination and technology work hand in hand. Based on my experience, road geometry is likely a blend of both art and science. It demands a deep understanding of engineering principles to ensure safety and functionality. Yet it also requires a creative touch to craft roads that are not only efficient, but also aesthetically pleasing and environmentally sensitive. Do let me know your thoughts on this topic in the comments section below. I would also love to hear your ideas on what new topics regarding road geometry we should cover in this channel. Are there specific challenges you believe deserve more attention, or innovative solutions you'd like to explore? Your feedback is invaluable in shaping the direction of future discussions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on road geometric design, the newest software tools, and much more. Your support helps us bring you even more exclusive content. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be rolling out even more exclusive content, including live Quanda sessions, interviews with industry experts. So, if you're as passionate about road design as I am, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's pave the way to better roads together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.